How's it going, folks? It is finally Friday. Made it through the first week of school. Still sort of have my sanity, so that's a good thing. Not only is it Friday, teachers always look forward to Fridays. That's a given. But I look forward to every day that I get to hang out on a tractor for a while. So not only is it Friday, but I'm going to bale hay. And I'm going to square bale hay. And like I had said in the... I'm trying to steer and hold the camera. That's not smart. Like I had said in the last video or so, I've never ran a square baler in my life. I've messed with square bales a couple times, a lot of times, but never baled it myself. So this is going to be a learning experience. One of my buddies is going to come help, but he is also in the same boat. He's never ran one either. So I've got another buddy on speed dial, two buddies on speed dial really, that know what they're doing, but they're busy doing other things. So we're just going to play it by ear, see what happens. If I have a breakdown in the middle of the field with the round baler, I at least know how to get myself going again. If something clogs, I know where to unclog it. If something stops tying, I know where to sort of fix it. If this stops tying, we might be dead in the water, because I'm, like I've said multiple times, clueless. So, got to stop by the dump. It is, dang, I'm rocking and rolling today. It's 3:45. I've left school, made it home, ate lunch. I eat lunch at 3 o'clock when I get home. So left school, made it home, ate lunch, changed clothes, and I stopped to pick something up from a buddy's pickup, and it's only 3:45. So I'm making it. I got to stop up here at the dump, then just stop right down here down the road, pick up the square baler with the truck, and then run on down to the corn maze and get started. I'm going to take you all along with me. I've got some clips from Josh mowing down here that I'll throw in right here. And I've also got some clips of me raking it yesterday, which I'll throw in right here. And now we'll go pick up the bale. Well, I was a little slack on taking some video while we got the baler hooked up, but as you tell back there, we've been going a little while and it is going perfectly smooth. I think Josh has been taking a little bit of video, so we'll have that in here. But I am pretty impressed. It is a very slow process, but it's just cool. I've enjoyed it. Makes me want one, honestly. We don't know a thing about it though. Don't know a thing about if we're doing the right thing, wrong thing. All I know is it's spitting bales out, and it was only messed up on 2. And I don't know how many there are so far, but we're about halfway done with the parking lot, and there's quite a bit. So I did reset the counter on it. So we'll see how many there are when we get done. But it really makes me want one. It would be handy to have square bales, like if we just did second cutting in square bales. That'd be awesome. Plus, we can use that little tractor with it, which Dad always wanted to do. He always wanted to get a square baler to use that tractor with. Plus, the way our barns are set up, we would be perfect with a square baler. We could stack them anywhere we wanted to. It's just so much more work. But this is so much fun. I forgot my earbuds, so I'm a little deaf at the moment, but other than that, it's going smooth. It's going smooth. We finished. We got, this says 108. I don't know if that's true or not. It was super duper 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 thin, but 108 bales is more than enough until we won't have to buy as much. So that's well worth it for me. So now, got to run this thing back up the road to the fella's barn we got it from, and we will be done. It is only 6:25. I'm gonna have time to go to Maddie's football game and watch her cheerleading coach. So it has been a fantastic time. I have super duper enjoyed this. I'm gonna be looking for a square baler, I think. Which I keep saying this is fun, and I think the fun part's over. I think now's when the work starts and it's not going to be near as fun, so I don't know, we'll see. Might get one, might just do it one time a year, who knows. We'll see on the next one. I tell you, it's good to know people. So I was going to be picking these bales up by myself, I had assumed. And look at this guy. So he called, said he'd be willing to help. I said, well, I'm not going to turn down your help. And he said, well, I've got my skid steer with my accumulator and grapple. He said, I can have it done in no time. I said, oh, there's no need to do that. I showed up. I didn't even know for sure if he was actually going to come. He's already got them bunched up. I don't know what there's left for me to do. Twiddle my thumbs, maybe? I feel guilty, honestly. I mean, I was ready to just sweat my butt off all day long. Brought an extra shirt, 2 extra jugs of water, and I'm sitting in the AC truck just driving around. This is ridiculous. I tell you, if I had equipment like this, I would get a square baler and I would switch. This is pretty cool. So Luke, shouts out, brother. Appreciate you. Because this is saving so much time. And I'd already ended that video. And luckily I had tried to upload it this morning. And my storage is full on my computer, so I wasn't able to do anything with it, and I'm glad because I'm going to add this stuff to it. This is honestly cooler than me baling it. I am blown away. So we took some, maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and emptied out one bay side of the barn down here of the old straw that we saved from last year, and he's going to just pick it off of here, set it right inside that barn, and we're going to try and keep this dry, and we're going to cover the other stuff up with tarp. So this is just blowing my mind. I mean, this is just wow. Well, like, we're already almost done. He's got 3 bundles left over here in the parking lot area in the amount of time that I've been sitting here taking a video. Wow.